What is staging and why is it important? In today's very visual society, we see a lot of properties marketed for sale, whether it's a television show on HGTV or walking into a model home. Staging gives us an aspirational look of how we want to live in a particular house or property. There are two types of staging. There's virtual staging, which is when we take a picture and put furniture into it. However, the limitation of virtual staging is that when you actually walk into the property, there's no furniture there. So your visual representation of how it will look is only through a picture. The other type of staging is when we come into a home and we either use your furniture and we may take a little bit out or we may add a little bit to create a great setting and an experience for the potential buyer. Or in the case of a vacant home or a home where the furniture is a complete mismatch for the lifestyle in which we're trying to sell, we actually bring in a professional stager with a lot of furniture and accessories. The goal is to help the buyer visualize not only themselves, but their furniture and how are they going to be living in the property. It's with staging that can have a significant impact on whether a buyer makes an offer or moves on to the next property.